Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We have got Paper Pumpkin Week going on this week, and this is the January 2025 kit called Hearts for You. And I also have the add-on set of dies for this quarter, and the Spring is in the Air dies. So I can't wait to get started with all of these. So let's see what's in the kit. So these are our instructions. We've got 3 projects to make. So 3 each of 3 different cards, and we've got these really cute envelopes. And the coordinating colors are Flirty Flamingo, Petal Pink, Real Red, and Champagne Foil. So here's our stamp set, and we've got You Have My Heart, Love in a script, and then You in plain, and then Celebrate Love, and You're My Favorite. So we've got a stem of leaves and a heart, and then a filled in heart. We've got our Real Red stamp spot or ink spot, and we've got really cute. We've got our adhesive dots, and then we've got these really cute embellishments. They're little glitter hearts. They are really sweet. Okay. So, and we've got some Real Red baker's twine, and we've got a big sheet of dimensionals, and then we've got some of the card fronts there. We've got our envelopes. Okay. And this is one of the card bases. So again, front and back, so we can double that up and make 2 cards from each. And then we've got some die cuts with some hearts on. This might be a card front with some of the die hearts to be die cut out. And then we've got 2 sheets of hearts that go on the front of one of the cards, and then our banners for our greetings. Oh, look at this. This is another card base. Beautiful Flirty Flamingo marble look. Again, front and back. And then we've got some champagne foil greeting banners, and we've got some hearts that we can die cut out. And then okay, we've got a couple of some card bases here, and they've got really faint hearts outlined in Flirty Flamingo. And look at this champagne jewel, and these are stickers, so I can see us working a lot with those. And then we've got the die cuts, these champagne foil die cuts, and then these little Flirty Flamingo hearts with the gold or champagne embellishments on. And that's it. So that is what is in our kit for January 2025 with the Hearts for You. So stay tuned, and in the next video we'll build project 1, 2, and 3 over 3 videos, and then do an alternate, and there'll be an alternate each day this week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.